Black Canary is an expert martial artist with several unique abilities. Her primary power is the Canary Cry, a powerful sonic scream that can shatter objects, disorient enemies, and even create air currents. She has fine control over its frequency and intensity, and thanks to her enhanced eardrums, she is immune to her own sound attacks. Beyond her sonic abilities, she is a master hand-to-hand combatant, trained in various fighting styles like Muay Thai, Krav Maga, and boxing. She also possesses peak human condition, allowing her to hold her own against other powerful heroes. As a strong tactical leader, she has even served as a chairwoman of the Justice League.